If you are looking forward to start a travel blog where you want to document all of your travel journey, have a documentation of places that you visit, and you want a WordPress website where you can document all of these informations, then getting a travel blog would make it much more easier for you to have that professional looking travel blog. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best travel blog that you can use to create that your travel website. So all the things I'm going to be sharing with you, all of them comes with different demo that you can check out. If anyone interests you, you can just go ahead and pick them up, download them, import it to your WordPress website, and then you are good as having a travel blog. So what you just need to do is just keep adding content. You don't need to disturb yourself about the designs and layouts because everything will be readily available to you once you purchase the theme. So all the things I'm going to be mentioning in the course of this video, I'll leave a link to them in the description of this video so that you can check them out, whichever one you want to go with. All right. So let me also mention that apart from travel blog, you can also use all of this theme I'm sharing with you for other kind of specific blog, maybe for food blog and the likes. Okay. So before we get into the video, if you are new to this channel, can you take out time to click on that subscribe button right now? So go ahead right now, click on that subscribe button. It's actually free to subscribe. So thank you very much if you have just done that. So with that, now let's head over to the video and check out some of the best travel blog WordPress themes. All right, so the first one on our list is called Wonderland. So you can see it here, travel blog WordPress theme. So this theme itself costs $79. Like I mentioned, all the links to the theme, I'll leave them in the description. So once you come on the page for the theme that you want to go with, okay, so you can see it here, you see the option to add it to cart. So once you click on add to cart, you'll be asked to either create an account if you don't have an account with them. So once you create an account, you can go ahead and fill in the billing information, enter your payment details, and then you'll be able to download this theme, which you're going to upload into your WordPress site. All right. And then interestingly, all the themes comes with demo. So you pick in your favorite demo, you import it to your website, and then you are good to go. So it's as simple as that anyway. All right. So now let's go ahead and explore Wonderland. So if you come here, you're on the scroll down, you're going to be seeing the features. So you right here are different demo that they're showing you. All right. So if you want to see more of this, so let's check out the live preview. All right. So these are the different demo, like the meaning of demo are pre-made templates or the pre-made website that you can just import. So the only thing you need to do is just to put in your content. Like you can see here now, this is showing you a demo that is available to you. So this is called Travelog in Alternative Post Main Home. All right. So whichever one that interests you, maybe based on the design, based on the layout, or maybe based on the kind of content you intend to post. Okay, so you can see here is another demo that you can actually choose from. Okay, so create destination showcase. That's this showing you different features that this theme offers. All right, so you can also create launch your own online store. So you can also have an e-commerce attached to your travel blog. Okay, maybe you want to use it to also sell some one or two things that has to do with travel. Okay, you can also do that with this theme. All right, so this is the first one that comes highly recommendable. Do make sure you check it out. Again, the link is in the description of this video. All right, so that's the Wonderland. So now let's head over to the next one. The next one is called Backpack Traveler. All right, here is another theme that comes highly recommendable for $69. All right, so this particular theme works with Elementor Page Builder and WP Bakery Page Builder. All right, so you might not really need to worry about Page Builder that much, okay? Because if you are just going to be using any of the demo, and the only thing you need to do is just keep adding content, like I said earlier. So right here are the demos that is available if you purchase this theme, and here are all the features of this theme. So this also has online store feature. If you want to put in online store, practical inner pages. So there are different inner pages for you to choose from. Okay, so if this also interests you, you can just head over here, click on add to cart. So let's take a look at this theme more. All right, so let's take a look at the demo. So these are the demo. If you want to have a full look of what the demo looks like, so you can just click on any of them and then see the inner pages. Okay, so you'll be able to see other pages of these demos. All right, this has about 9 demos that you can actually choose from. Okay, you can see so many stunning post variations. So there are different ways that you can choose to let your post appear. You can see flexible header. So there are different header styles. So maybe you want something like this. So you can see maybe sidebar. You maybe want your logo below the menu, or maybe logo by the side. You know, everything is just customizable. You can choose from any of these variations. Okay, so different post style. You can see the different layouts for you to make your post. If you want to have the video type, you can also do that. All right, so that is it on the second theme for travel blog that comes highly recommendable. Backpack traveler. Do make sure you check this out. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinja to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinja is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are three plans. There are three packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those three packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember, you're also going to be getting some 3% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25. And in terms, now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right. So once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many, up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here, you see your summary here. Now, the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinja. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, you know, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59 ETH, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinja is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right, so now let's continue with our video. All right, welcome back. All right, so next on our list is called Travel Blog WordPress theme. So for this now, you can see create a stunning travel blog in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so it's as simple as that, and that's one of the reasons why you might want to consider using one of these themes. It makes the process much more easier, even if you are not techie. Okay, this is another theme that comes highly recommendable. It's called Travel. All right, so let's take a look at live preview. So this is one of the demo of the sites. Okay, so you can see it here. It's just a short home page. Okay, so if that's what you want, if you want to see different home page style, once you're over here, you can see like 4 different styles that you can also take a look. Okay, if you want to see the layouts, If you want to also see how posts will appear, okay, you can just take a look at all of these pages to see what it looks like. All right. So if you want to see the contact page, if you want to see the different header style, you can see there are about 4 different types. So once you check out all of this page, you have an idea of what you're going to get once you purchase this theme. Okay, so Travel is the name of this theme. If you like this also, you can just go ahead and purchase it. So let me know if you are finding value in this video. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. All right. So another thing that comes highly recommendable for your travel blog is called newspaper. So actually this is you can see news and WooCommerce WordPress theme. All right. So this particular WordPress theme comes highly recommendable. It's a very popular theme. You can see it here. Some of these sites here, they make use of this theme. This Best Buy blog, Tech Explorist, South Indian Jared, Video Maker. These are sites that make use of newspaper theme. Okay, so this is actually a blog theme, a blog, a news, a magazine theme. But interestingly, if you also want to go with this, it's just $59 and it comes with a whole lot of demo. I think over 100 of them. Okay, so you can see it here. These are all the demos that are available for this. You can see even beyond travel. But if you scroll down, you'll see a demo for travel. You can see here there's a demo for travel. If you want to check this, you can just click on it to see what it looks like. But if you have so that's why I said some of this theme will work even if you are not looking forward to create a travel blog. Maybe your blog is something similar to travel, but not really travel. You can use this newspaper, for example, to look for a demo that best fits what you intend to do. Okay, so you can sort it out based on blog, based on magazine. Okay, so you can see these are some demos on magazine. If you see any demo that actually fits what you want to do, you can also go with that. Okay, so this is another awesome one, newspaper. That's the name of this particular thing. All right, so the last one on our list for this is called Email. I hope I pronounced it right. Okay, so this is a personal minimal WordPress blog theme. Okay, so for this particular theme now, it's a minimalist design. So let's check out the live preview of this particular theme. So you can see, so once a theme is minimalist design, that means in most cases, there are less distraction from it. Okay, and that's how a travel blog should be: less distraction, just focus on the content you want to share and the information you want to share about places that you've been to or you travel to. All right, so this comes with 2 demos, so you can see it here, just like it says, a minimalist design. But if you like this layout also, you can go ahead with this particular thing. All right, so this costs $59. All right, so far we've looked at all the things I want to share with you. I know you saw 10 earlier, but for some reason I had to just make sure I take out 5 so I can streamline it to just the best thing that comes highly recommendable. Okay, so the first one, we look at Wonderland. I think I've been calling this thing Wonderland. So Wonderland. We also looked at Backpack Travelers. We look at Travel, newspaper, and then we look at Emailing. All right, so let me know what you think about this theme and which of this theme you are going with. All right, so again, I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video, whichever one you want to go with. All these 5 things I've just shared with you, whichever one you go with, you can't be wrong with any of them. So you might want to choose it based on the demo that you can see, maybe based on demo, maybe based on the price, okay, or maybe based on the features, or maybe on or the page builder, okay, that theme actually works with. So don't forget to also check out Hostinja. If you want to take advantage of some 3% off on hosting and then the free domain, do make sure you check it out. I'll leave a link to that also in the description of this video. So guys, let me know what you think. If you have any question for me, do leave them in the comment section below. So with that, guys, my name is Prosper and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.